All right, guys. So, good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing good. My name is Banks, and I am your lead analyst and also the founder of Good Early Deals. So, today we'll be looking at a couple of things, and you know, we'll be looking at XAUUSD, right? And right now we have a bias that we're expecting more like a buy move. Currently is in profit, and I'm documenting it on the group right now. So, yeah, as you guys can see, obviously, we did analysis that we're expecting like the buys. And why was that? I'm going to explain the reason now. So firstly, as you can see, we had market basically create like a break of structure. One here, another break of structure here. The market has this area that they push down price to clear. So we are expecting the case scenario where we can retain this place as an SL, considering that we have another break of structure here. So low key was a move like this for a reason. We're expecting something like this where market pushes down price back into this area and then push up. But fortunately for us, what we have in that case scenario is market got down to this area and now it's continuously pushing up price and all. And that's like pretty much what we have. Right? So for me, I'm expecting the continuation of the buy pattern for XAUUSD. And now if we clearly put this on the 4-hour time frame, you would see that even on the 4-hour, for instance, now it's still been trying to push up price, though it had a down momentum here. So for me, I'm sort of predicting and doing an analysis that if it breaks past this area that is here, then we should have the continuation, breaks this zone. This can be your next potential take profit. So, but yeah, fingers crossed, considering the fact that today is also what's it called? I think the US independence or so. So we have to like be open to seeing, yeah, the US today's US independence. So we have to be open to seeing how the market will pick its momentum and all. So yeah, pretty much that. So it's gonna be very slow, but then let's see what we can do. So the next thing that I want to look at is BTC USD. So let's look at BTC USD on the 4-hour, and then so firstly on BTC, like if I don't know if you guys remember when I was doing this analysis on BTC USD. First off, we predicted that the market was going to sell, which created a good sell momentum. Then I said, then when it was here, it pushed up price back to this area. Then I said that most likely, if you see a case scenario where I said it in the last Zoom, if you were here, I said that if you see a case scenario where you have short, you have short candles like this, right? Now, when you see short candles like this, and just two candles alone clears off this area, just be expecting that you're going to have most likely continuation of that buy pattern. And that was what happened here, right? So it's not like as if the sales are not still visible. But although this particular area that had two equal eyes, considering the fact that that can be potential liquidity, was cleared. So automatically you can look at that area as an area, you know, to fetch buy opportunities from. And how would you do that? You can mark out this zone because we'll be trading BTC USD over the weekend. So you can mark out this zone as a potential area though. Now you change this to line chart. Let's see. Chain this back. Candle. Now you want to basically click on the long position. All right. Now this is an area that you can look at for potentials. This one can be marked. And You put this back on 45, then on 45, then on 45, you should see a case scenario like this. So this is a potential area that we can sort of look out for buys, right? But then you have to still be very careful and ensure that you have like a good mitigated risk. And then I think you should be good to go. Let's put this on the 2-hour and let's see. Yeah, pretty much a type like this, a case scenario like this. Give it enough room to breathe. So when the rain in this Lagos is not going to stop. Everywhere will be flooded. All right. So these are buy buyers that we can sort of look at as a potential area, pretty much. And then yeah. I think we're good to go. I think we're good to go. So this is buy bias potential. And then we also have for BTC and for XAUUSD. Right, and that's like pretty much it. So now let's go to one more pair, which is GBP USD. Now, GU, what does GU have for us? So we marked out this area as an area that we can expect GBP USD buys from, right? But then market has not started its momentum for GU. All right, so for GBP USD, we'll just be on the lookout. GBP USD has not picked its momentum yet. So sort of will be on the lookout for GU. And yeah, so this is an area where you can expect GBP USD buys from. And that's like pretty much it. So gold buys, most likely BTC USD also. And then we have we have also a buy area POI that we marked out for GBP USD. And then that's it. So now we're going to be looking at volatilities too. So let me stop sharing here and then go to volatilities. All right, so let's start with the first volatility that we have, which is my favorite pair. Let's see what we can get for volatility 10-1S. Oh, okay. So for volatility 10-1S, so for volatility 10-1S here, hold on a moment. So for volatility 10-1S here, this particular area that we have where I add my first sell from is literally where the sales continued, right? So for me, I'm going to be sending a signal right now to expect like a continuation in the downtrend for VIX. to this particular zone that is here. Right, so if you notice, market push up price here, continuing a retest, right? So it's more like a continuation pattern kind of thing. And yeah, that's like pretty much what happened here. So that's why we had a case scenario where market basically created these shorts, right? Retaining even the same amount of stop loss or even lesser. Yeah, so for me, it's more like, okay, we're expecting market to continue that downward trend, and then let's see if you can give us a potential TP at 88.76. Then the next pair would be, let me download this image. Let me just download this image. So let's look at this. Now the next pair which we'll be looking at for volatility will be 25-1S. The 25-1S, most likely potential buy region. So it's giving like a potential buy region. Where you can expect market to sort of push down price into this area and give you potential buys. Then you can minimize your risk into something here and then lower. I expect this is a case type. All right, yes. So this is a visible zone where you can expect market to basically react from and pretty much short. And yeah. And I think this way we're good to go. Download. All right, guys. So having said this, I hope this is as detailed and as explanatory as it can be. I'm going to be uploading this video very soon on YouTube, so you can go watch it, as this is our day 4, and we are still looking at the trades that we have. So all of these signals will be sent into the Forex signal and the derivative signal. So I need you to stay optimistic, keep the numbers rolling. The leadership board is going to be out tomorrow. So people that have been on my profit this week, the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, all the way to number whatever, it will all be displayed down. Who knows? Next week you can basically overtake the next person. So it's an avenue for you to go and scale if only you're willing to do that yourself. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. Bye for now. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and don't forget to scale. Safe.